as my.consciouswebpresence.design, and you can log in, and this will be your client dashboard, and you can see feedback is for sending me feedback that you want to make changes on your website. Emails, if you were to click on this, you would see your email is set up and it says open webmail, and then you could use that to open your webmail. You could also go directly to webmail.sitehub.io, and I'll send you that. And on the start page, you'll see edit website. So before we go into that, where I'm going to show you a couple edits on your website, I'll just go through the other things that you'll see in your client dashboard. The service request, if you were to send me something here or upload files, if you needed me to do something and you use this, you would still have to send me a message to let me know that you gave me some information. I'm not going to automatically know that, but you could send me information this way if you needed to. Also send me a text message. This is pretty self-explanatory. If you need to change your password, you would go into my data and then change password. We just went over the emails, and as far as domains, you can see that your domain has been set up and that email and the security certificate is set up. On the continuing down, the file manager is like for images that have been added. And as you edit your website, if you add more images, they might show up here, or you could just add them here. Edit website is the same as before. Announcements, if you have an announcement bar set to your website, then you could type things in here. I never use this, but it would display the text on your website. I don't recommend it. I recommend just editing your website. All right, so let's go do that. So I'm going to go back to the start, and you'll see edit website. You'll also see it here on the left-hand side. They'll both take you to the website editor. And then you'll click edit website now. It'll open up into a new window for the editor. Accept cookies. So here's your website editor. I'm going to go ahead and go into testimonials. So on the left-hand side, I'll click pages, and then I'll scroll down to the testimonials page. Here we go. Massage reviews. I'm going to click on it. The home page is still open. The testimonials page is now open. I'm going to close this menu option. And I would like to add, maybe instead of new clients, I'll say testimonials, reviews from anybody. I'm going to delete this and add the review script that you gave me. Okay, that didn't work. So I'm going to delete it all together. Because that was too much information. I'm going to click this spacer to delete it. I'm going to go over here to elements, and I'm going to grab HTML, and I'm going to bring it over here so the green box goes, see the green line? I'm going to place that right there, and now I'm going to Command V to copy that script in there. Oh, it does have two scripts, okay. So that was right before. So now I'm saving it, and then I'll go to your website and about share a review. I'm not sure if that code was the right code for sharing your review, but that would be how you add it. You had sent me that little bit of information. Let's see. I need to log in here. Okay, so this is the one that you created. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color. These are the colors that your website is mostly done with. So I feel like the orange would be like a good color for branding. You can go in here and change this here. So now I'm gonna open up the services page. I'm just copying and pasting that spacer bar. So now I'll go to save. So in this little video, I'm just showing you, here's where the pages are. And then you can click on any text box I double clicked on it, it opened it up. Options for editing, the layout showed up on the left-hand side, but you can just click and type when you want to change your words around. And then the only thing here, so I showed you how to do the full service list. This is done. You're going to want to go in, click on pages, open up massage reviews in Holly Springs, and grab that code that you have, and then place it in here. So I'm just going to look at this to see, why did this not show up correctly? Script. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna see if it works now. Let's see. Share review. Right, it's still not showing up. Something's not right with the code that you gave me, but if you want to grab that code again, or if you need help and you want to Zoom, let me know. On the services page, this is what it looks like now. Rest of the services I offer, you could change that. And it's also like, know that it's twice, so what could you say here? That would make sense. And then here's featured services. Okay, so let me know if there's any other changes, and you now have access to your website so you can make your own edits. I'll send you a couple video tutorials that you can watch with a lot more information on this editor. But if you get stuck, please reach out so that I can help you.